Hey guys, it's Jess. Oh, hey friends, it's Jess and welcome to my channel, A Card Day's Work. I hope you guys are having a great day. No, why can't I get this right? Voiceovers are so hard sometimes. Okay.
This video for such a long time because as a creative, the financial aspect of the business is definitely not my strong point, and I'm now hired an accountant to sort all that good stuff out for me. But for the first 2 years I did all my bookkeeping and financing myself.
So we are about to start working on my filming setup. So when I do my card making videos and whatnot, there will be a camera over top of the desk. We used to have it set up on a tripod that stood behind the desk, and like there was a selfie stick hanging over the desk, and it took up a lot of floor space and was ridiculous. So I picked up this thing, which is like kind of like a lamp clamp thing that goes like on a desk usually, that would hold the phone or the camera or whatever, but we're gonna try to mount it to the ceiling above the desk and see what happens. Wish us luck. Okay, so this is the piece that Andrew made to attach to the ceiling for my camera mount. It's got the screw holes, and then this part is to clamp the little thing that was supposed to clamp onto the desk or whatever. So we're going to try to put it on the ceiling now and see how it goes. Okay. Yeah, I can like attach the whole thing. Now what?
I need to know what of this is good. Basically what you're going to constantly trade with this setup is this direction, that direction, and height. So you got a little bit of movement, but see how it comes up?
Yeah. Okay,
So,
Benton, what you doing? Awesome, baby.
And Cappy's like holding Mario's broken heart, and then Cappy's like this.
Okay, so I've run into an issue with my webcam, and that is that I have two of the exact same webcam, and for whatever reason, my computer will not recognize both of them at the same time. So I used to have one webcam that pointed down at my desk and one that pointed at me, and the one that pointed at me was like an older webcam that was different, like a different model than the one that pointed at my desk, and so it worked perfectly because they were two separate models and two separate cameras. Now I have two of the exact same webcam, and unfortunately it has boggled my computer's mind. It does not work. And so I'm like trying to troubleshoot and figure out how to fix it and what to do. And I'm getting so frustrated because I can't, I'm like sort of tech savvy, but I am not like, I'm not that tech savvy. And so I'm like going down the rabbit hole of drivers and uninstalling stuff and trying to like change all the things. I don't know. I'm getting so overwhelmed and I'm just frustrated. I have a Michaels class this weekend that I'm teaching. So I'm teaching a class on the Michaels website on Saturday, and I have to have this figured out by then because I need both of my cameras for that class. So I have to figure this out like right now. I don't even know. I'm stressed. I'm going to keep trying to work on it and hopefully it works out. So I got some stuff in the mail today that I'm really excited about. One is gonna make you laugh, I think. One is a really happy thing for me, which is that I got this extension cable for my camera setup. So if you remember, I was working on this issue here. I've got this cord that goes like right in front of all of my stuff. And unfortunately, it's like right in my vision when I'm trying to film. But the cord was not long enough to plug into the back of the computer while it was on my mount that we set up. So we got an extension cable. Now I do still have to get a cord like cover thing so that it can go on the wall and it will like cover the cords and stuff. But at least we're able to plug it in through the back of the computer now. Now the other thing you just kind of got a sneak peek of, and that is the largest water bottle I've ever seen in my life. I knew that this was a large water bottle when I got it, but I did not know that it was this large. So this is the water bottle. This is the water, it's bigger than my head. This this is the biggest water bottle ever. Okay, it has like cute little stuff on it, like it says good morning, and then like it keeps going down or whatever, and it's like don't give up. Almost finished, and you did it at 9 p.m. But it starts at 7 a.m. and you know that I am definitely not waking up that early. Anyway, yes, so I have a new water bottle. That's gonna be decorating my craft room, I guess. I'm trying to drink more water, and hopefully this is the way to do it. You guys, look at it next to the Dr. Pepper. That is a 12-ounce can of Dr. Pepper, and that is the 1-gallon water bottle. Oh my God. It is Saturday morning, afternoon. It's Saturday afternoon. And I just got out of the shower, excuse my wet hair. I am getting ready to teach my class on the Michaels website, and I'm getting so nervous. I always get super nervous right before I go to teach a class, and today is no exception. I don't know why I get so nervous, because I've been doing live videos and live classes and whatever for a while now, and this is not my first Michaels class, but for whatever reason, I just get really, really nervous whenever I am about to teach. So I've got everything laid out on my desk here. Like all my supplies that I'm gonna use and stuff. So that's all ready to go. I tried my best to like clean up behind me there. Well, you can see my Ethernet cable, but yeah, I tried my best to like get things cleaned up so it looked kind of like semi-professional. And yeah, I don't know, I hope it goes well. I'm teaching this class on the Michaels website on behalf of Ranger. So Ranger asked me to teach the class, and we're going to be doing distress oxide techniques with stamps. So it's kind of like a mashup between Michaels and Ranger products. So I'm really excited. I don't know. I hope it goes well. This is, I think, my 3rd time doing this. And I don't know, it never gets less stressful. There's just, I feels like there's so much pressure. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and finish getting ready, and I'll let you guys know how it goes afterwards. Okay. Okay, I did it. I am finished with the Michaels class for Ranger. I'm sitting outside because it is a beautiful day. Sorry if you can hear like all the neighbors working on their lawns. But I had a really good time. I think it went really well. I always get so stressed about it, but anyway, it's a beautiful day. That's why I'm sitting outside. I have some Cheez-Its, a little snack, and I've got my massive water bottle on the ground next to me, and I'm just enjoying the weather. The kids are out for a little bit longer. My husband took them out of the house so that I could have quiet for the class, and they're still gone for a little bit longer. So, yeah, I'm gonna sit here and eat my Cheez-Its, and then I'll get back to work, and I guess I'll edit the studio vlog. Yay! All right, I'm gonna end the video here for this week. This is my son, Kieran. He's here to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. We will see you guys again next week. I'm going to keep doing studio vlog footage. This one was a little bit more accurate of kind of like what I do on a weekly basis. But as I get like finished doing the studio stuff, I think there will be like more kind of to it as far as like my day-to-day work stuff, like actually filming and editing and that sort of thing. So I am really excited to share all of that with you guys as well. But yeah, I'm gonna finish editing the vlog and leave it here, and I will see you guys in another video really soon. Okay, bye.